Dem be sha obrana si amanfo epatie pa ono abroba no o maso dafo mo patie eye okun kase ntoka kase a wokun o de asi wani so a wokun expose akese mamini nka nhye nkomana sese e de na kofa asokun bae
yo medase ne kofa we nyina bae na me hwe memintanko social media no entie ne ekoso so nti afei me wane asene me edukubi odi di president akufo adotem na bia chese sem bia wo ye bia insults na me but papa we were when so I started investigating who is this of oni akufo ado e problem bia na in the course of the investigation and a young man back catch him so we cry fake because cars we issue a stolen cars are on register on peer duty. I'm saying, what are you saying? Also, yes. I became interested and we started a year investigation, And whilst I was doing the investigation on his cars, and another one so bass sa papa no na sorry say no enti guy ba ko ba no ka chem say ono okọ asori no that day okoye osofo no ka say obia sika e won botom onyin tofom enti obia wasoro bia yin wallet eni ni sika no de tofom o wa na ohwese no the envelope aba e besesa sika no ako
wow.
And guys, hey, why are you taking my money? To starting new moye argument na omo epam no ifiri ho. Ti ho no hu se nipa no enya papa. Ti na eko eba for investigation na waiting there ba na waiting there ba. Ti minya enough information na mse mahitin. Of course na medikai ahitino but it was in reaction to a year okase asantifo ma fantifo ma na before ma omo jimi
intimate ase abaduko bi asem na wokin
right
okay
nti o person who how it started nti ho na me hu say no asofu nkura no mo fake because in some metie na me hu say nkofo no enye nyame adwuma eno mo ye so I took on baduko bi obegwa nenum kakra ena ma ya me mom ko fa ne cars ne bi o de bi siesie na custom for na nkasa asep obia watena ho change engine chassis numbers no a kire me baby e wonso no me ka sem bi a kire mo no mo fa but they got those two no mo de buy the honest that obia beduko bi abu no kwase now started coming to me with evidence why him say why he say who say so I see ti egusu no ana may reference to alapeni girl bi ana osire obinim say COVID-19 no wanya ho aduro na oil no $40 angaje mo yesi a mo guman ho ni mase ena waya na international ama alatafopo esre any this is all I said. Then Obinim started. She said, and you see, what I've realized is that omo low level of education. They don't even read the Bible. They don't know. Because Obinim, Otumi Kachiro said, Mary need Joseph, Genesis 21. Can you tell me, say, theology, why Ubia, Mary, and Joseph in the New Testament. 21. The Old Testament, the first, Genesis, and Okutu. Right there, it tells you he's not man of God. Now, omu preaching, debiano, omu preaching sika, and a fawebra. Now, before so be preaching sikano, what do you and a show? What do you and a show? I'll come to that.
Okay.
In the course of Obinim Diano, then others of also pop up. Demon Breaker, something. You know, a lot of them started coming to me. Almost mo JaiIed. Na ni American dey no kore. Mo JaiIed no. They are willing to share their experience. So Manasa, yeah, I gave them opportunity to come out. Na mo betie Wednesday or panyini ba ko no so beba. And then they be koso but Wednesday you so betie or suffer from his horses from the horses. Yeah, ukuada be and then you ready a minimum ba ukuada de ubetie. You know, inti be komwan na beginning na me say, oh, why are you wasting your time? Go here ya umbe kwa sorry no. Inti enkosi hwe. Say, you wait and see. This is how I start. And with persistency, you see. The one day, your honor, young boy be me born in Bazooka or in South Africa case. And I'm a boy, guy back also, or also war. ANC more, or they could see road near ko Ajinga no. Got to be home, or also me born in and crowd there, Manasa and the boy. And these guys were running to me. Say, assembly there, me can't, almost downfall. I could cry the no so be kuno. Time I'm sure, said, me bono. And na, obetina be fee chisa, and I'm saying, person me home. Then I decided, say, we come, I come and say, you meet them. So me ma will buy. Na and someone, this young man, another one, also an elder of Pentecost. Now a gospel artist, for no producer. Opanyini. And someone who kind na me na obabia ba oye me nan. Ti me yere ni omo soro kotena table. And someone who catch him bebre me man ti no aye ti no mo ka chero. Ya da wa na gna kofu ye buyache. Na me so wa de say ha. And the boys in the past, some more catch them. Now, the Omuka is inconsistent with Obia, so to be Obabia. Which means as fake pastors, no, Oman Kasashia and Omo design what they are going to say to deceive people. So, the way Adam draw conclusion and say, Kofu, Omo fake. To make it
Honorable, we shall see, I saw for the door best saying, now, Omudia be pure name, we show my day. Fake for
so far, we were 13.
So for do me answer.
Yeah, 13 a series. Intina a Rano Castle here, me caught one by one a rabbit to me challenge. A war Ubinim the say me saw a same one in we never JaiIed. But I'm say follow me. But they no crash me before I always want to exhaust. We are number one my police. We are number one my police. Nigel say me compiling bad deeds. No. Witnesses are coming. They will all come to the police. And the last one is a murder case. And now I'll play.
Nigel, dear no.
Yes.
Last one a murder.
Yeah. I'll play a video for people to see. On one kasa. Oh, Jananum, I was sorry say, girl, I know any girlfriend. Your friend Wendy. Wendy, say, NDC for. But only a Ghana for. I have nothing to do with politics in this discourse. Now, girl no ni Nigel no call out. Nigel no the difference between Obinim and Nigel omo ye pe, but the difference no say Obinim hwe ma Nigel bu ma kwase.
Obinim no hwe ma or sponsor ma.
Right. Okay. But Nigel no dey o calculate say or say ma ba CCTV camera e hwe me. O hwe car me dey ba pe otumi say oba we na be ma we bibi won ho. O zoom ade na nya number plate no. O free ni office bar no dey abehye nkom. No wa panic. No the juice can. A whole lot of tricks they use.
I see.
So, indeed, Nigel no say you remember bo na obi atie. E rano e ba na sorry ogigi ni sika ena ni nua ba e besra na ofura brochi ba odi no kwaso na osa akope ni nua ba na ni nua ba no ofura brochi na kaza. Are you sure this guy is a man of God? Because so open. Now when the nin cancer and sister say oni Nigel ko out enti when the nubu fu and wo call Nigel say aso kura mejai ka bi amabo ho bi afam sika mame enna Nigel no da na so instead say odi sika no be ma no obeto fie wo lakeside amano no bay peneso ti ambanso koma deposit for mu siesie fie na ho nye nti mu siesie one day Friday I think it was 14th December 2018 and okachira girl no say onko hwe say o mo wie ana progress ewo edan no that evening na ono Nigel no ye all night the girl no kachira ni nyonko say ni nyonko fo mienu they all come to me to testify say okachiom so ni dan bi a wato ewo lakeside o kotinam nti okohwe adwuma mo ye okọ ho nwumre no wa mabiem wa mabiem ifie no a Nigel no eso o trauma wendi ni wa mabiem. Now listen, I have a you ha Nigel no gina sorry them. First he pretended as if he has nothing to do with the woman. Na o kase ye kase mumra sorry amumma ene ye say wa ma nyankopon betimi ayi na he knows who killed the woman. So police will invite him to tell Ghanaians who killed the woman. Because and an young man could say, no translator, or say chiremu chi say onim nipa okum obano. I'll show it tonight. I will not sorry them.
I close for a motor.
Ghana, just say cases are a if I had not come in, and omukwa on say police they are corrupt. The highest bidder. Police. Are corrupt. The worst institution we have is police. And I'm no me person say, are corrupt, so are corrupt. And kabadu ko bi ntimi faka and kanchre say say nation prophet. Na car no plate mo bibia we are discussing pa no magic. Na wotwam Nigel otumi register car Yehovah 1 Yehovah 2 Yehovah 3 Nigel cases amaye me so mu sisia 9 cases and we na call police ni nyiro ma anya no 9
okwano asamba
because mami ba ko de of friend from Germany or see or call report to Nigel Achimota police wonam kwan so ekọ and Nigel friend so na he na wo na wo de branam fa sika man ene the police told Nigel say mami na be report no.
Does it mean say out of for na police for
yes akwabi wo my friend Kwasi Poku chief inspector Usaden apparently oni Nigel no enyina na call Legon and oba Nigel na sorry enti Nigel twi etuo esi guy so born no say o chasing a girlfriend na girl no ye mistake every member of the church momo na mutie you know we no we how do you call it so wo bo ufre mimi number ya ne Nigel ini abetoso so all the church members
okay or the true caller na be said the
no omo ankasa de Nigel e na atu omo yi oti asenti girl no frɛ ne Nigel picture abetoso she felt Nigel na no ne kasa then she started talking and the guy was also texting back asking questions na say and I me die na say and me here say you know so
what's up command no mudin sir
right
ni status as ni deep na
yeah ni deep no
okay
Nigel boy no enti guy no akire ya ansana o da ne ho adi ama na hu say enye Nigel no ne kasa na emu ono no ne kasa ti guy no bufu e koso a ne guilt nti no call Portugal ni man Nigel. One day guy ni so was soro na yesi Nigel friend. Okoya si I wona person blackmail me and I wona say boy no. Bu boy no treat you one so na onu Nigel. Asa friend stupid chief inspector Kwesi Poku to go and arrest the boy without asking him anything. No matter how local Tesano police station. The case as I speak. Yes, it's still there. They do not even ask why. Because of what Nigel information your chest on the girl no go out. And Nigel doesn't want it to go out until wabuno sad na police. I'm following the case again. Reopening. Junior pastor friend Joshua also announced a pen girl in presence of the elders of the church. No, treat you the see boy in the moment. Yes. He does all these things because of who said or Muhammad. That is a bull. Nobody is above the law in this country. What treat you in presence of the elders of the church. What did you see boy in the moment?
Now, on a book, say, or Muhammad, I don't know.
I will come to that.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a jump hours or being we are fun with you. I'm a jump to the latest.
Expose the obey.
Joshua knows to say no left the church. There's a guy, a friend Kakra or Sofo Kakra, on the way bold Abba Ekasa. Osofo Kakra no has a lot of information with pictures anyway. Obroboy no ati na tadiem agi no fo bubu no eyi chip no firi. When nyina no of scot free. Because onye sofo we a criminal, we a murderer. And he's a thief. Because me start 3 years for jail or a Hyundai Santa Fe black. A Yehovah 7. When him said they went to railways Kopem Kofoso Mekumi and they pay 10,000 cedis. Yeah, I will deal with this guy. Oh, no, how he's playing with fire. Mahama can save it. And then Mahama na kasakura watching. Who said we fake and we you soon not gonna. Eba ben na ya Mahama die you know ready.
Nigel Mahama
oh, what do woman you're a bad boy.
Oh no, but no.
Back to crowd you know me company. You see, apart from the doors no one ya visit. Yak, the difference between Oni Obi nim say, in fact, Emma Nigel na fa wo mu no de. Me bo mu dia media no ne any mo so called stars no. E bebrebe follow. Ya bebrebe follow. Yeah. Yeah Nigel no. Emma wa fa wo mu Ghana na ask myself na ma pa mo e cheap de.
Honorable Mahama na we didn't be better we na pesa wo cheap no.
Oh, yeah, quite the arm, person jump to the and come a calculation the Abama Hama. Now, tea, I did the I am Mahama, say. And never done it. Information reaching me, and he said, the woman has never felt okay. Say, there was something wrong, not vibes, no. Any Nigel no Bahwa, or seen the vibes, no, because Nigel no Casado.
Mahama wife, no.
Right.
And Nigel.
And Timothy story back. Nigel no to me catch President Mahama said and this overcosa a punsio 7 kufuor gallows. No more family de be yama. Oh, you should not drink a beating painful. Oh yeah no. And what they when you call omo what they call Mahama fee or chain home so ti onu call no. Or call ye ni so compare ni one ye. No far 1 gallon. E di see ni car too. Oh, just 6. Emma won't so fanquay no more. Would him say, or the 1 gallon coin? And what catch it and not sorry must say. What call Israel? And Tinsio will the free river Jordan and a buy and water.
A punziono.
Yes. And my gay woo ye may want a picture on no was I I connive with Nigel to come and testify. Say, Abema testimony say, Nani Tiana ya, or the Jordan soon be every fan ha, bear 45 days ni, and maybe. Na, Wakobu Mahama. Wakobu Mahama. The reason, or what he go to sleep with Obia Mahama, so called Naakwa out. And he said, he sleeps with these women and we are close to Mahama to get information from them, to use it as prophecy on Mahama and take money.
Hey.
Yeah, very evil boy. Now, one who said what you be no. I think so is smarter than Obinim because he's not running his mouth. With all the evidence I'm giving and the people coming to talk, what's going to me no? Ni maami ni me were recordings no. Omako hu obi we are for Ken for president say Pacho Mamina Nigel has admitted some of the allegations have leveled against him. Some or say enye correct. Bi me na nimpo ni maami ye kuapim ni. Ko no ka kuapim ena omse oso ton banchi anybody. Na wo hwe Nigel no nkwase ebu odi bu nkofo na enani ndey wo maami da ho ton banchi anybody. You are a fool. You are a fool.
Honorable, mpese ye dane komum kakra bi ne yasan ba expose no so. Nipa 13 na we asofo no. Omu nyina ye in quote one man churches.
And yes.
Nsora kase ne bi.
Omu nyina ye one man churches.
Ye wo body bi e wo no we fa communicable body. Womo no hwe asofo mpanimfo a omo de da nsora kase bi GPCC Christian Council and so omu nyina kam ho bom communicable bodies. Nsora ni nyina ahya ase. Wo hwe de kokoyi a sampanimfo no umadi man hwamo ade bi osa omo ya omo nyeye bibi ho betumi aye.
Yes, but talking to mpanimfo bi eye papa e wo mu. Omo ankasa kura suro this young man a omo de ekwan boni enye sika no.
Mpanimfo no suro.
Yeah, because we bie wano criticize omo ade a omo beye wo no. Now they look at the way Obinim started insulting me. No osofo will have that ekura say yebeba be ridicule no.
That is true.
So they get away with murder. I will not fault that council because boys no adio bia nei niamimi ye na bema omo council no omo tumi ahye kina yi afesi omo because first really o can because omo nye nyame adwuma until they don't care about who are ye nyame adwuma no adia omo de beye wo no
ho na me be kan be si se ebra so se ye masafo no that body no tumi I bet my dear regulate your mama sorry.
Mami nka semtro ni esi enra.
Okay.
E kote mama ne me ma ne me yire ba. No mu ye de nam se munye din me tie. A Methodist sofu was preaching about fear. Fear. And this fear is what these young fake pastors use. I'll come to the preaching, but mama explaining.
Okay.
In the course of the investigation, who said, Obia near only powers be no spiritual whatever, nothing. But the moment this beautiful lady will walk to Osofu, say Uhiamwa, it means Ehuo. The moment Obia sorry, Akosofu was say, now dear be Ehiano into Omwano, nature say
Ehuo.
Yes, right. So the capital, the moment you go to him, no, when who say Kai, or a prey, or a victim, so they begin to pump more fear in you. Now, a hunu womu, the bio baby Sabia, what a man. Na a ma titi, Minyamba, Bonfancheme, Bamuas Mudiabo. She and Russia Methodist soften preaching Papa Bia or preaching. A Vienna or baby fresh, I can't come and a suffer about Bompire, mammy, and my warrior, may say, a Suana Misu, and my warrior. So they call one man church, Obinimo. Ko catch and say, Wa warrior, and Koye, and a Usua, Obedim. Straight. I'm using the words raw, no sabi, because I'm just tired of Ghana for Musabi Noa, a man go for a famu dinse, may say. Sa obeya ofra Methodist Medina sofuru enra okoka na sem kire Nigel obedinu oka kire Beduko bi obedinu oka kire owusu hwan ye friend say just a young asofo for there onye who say problem here obedi because also what problem we what him and let me tell you and kwala me son about young asofo for o see oba we a wa ba o kana yi o de me start o see young woman wa ware ebia wo hwe ye ne culture ye tradition pressure ye de to oba ni okunu so mu ware a within 3 years I was so 1 way 4 years who a problem 5 years who a problem na fe abo hu no mo ko asofo okwa oba wa ware no sofo no ka kire ne se mesi na me yiri ti na boys no eye ekwa mo fa so okura oil say wo yam abloko na wasa me di oily anointed oil o sadia egu sabe why the metro sabi why yinum
ehon de do achi
what the disgusting more na wa ba ni name o say odi oil no egum say na ade ne to aso me do nyame na me yira ba ni num yes now you see setro no mu di anka ba ka say sofo baako but asofo miensa na ba nyina no a trick no say yes oba the moment oba wokunu ebeyi no ho aba no ho say enya wo na Ghana college session no na je say odim say obetimi afa no nti waso odi oil ni som say no to aso obehu anse ehim so disgusting when they are talking another prey of women eye omu pekunu omu pekunu from 26 eko onya bemma na yi no ye kosofo osofo no de ye adwuma efe kunu kura wonya bi because da bi ya wodi I will show Wednesday papa ba ko ba be Canada a day of farmer 4 and san wa koya sorry kwa de na okoje ni se on farmer 4 na o explain ma mi hu say o see time of starting say o JaiIed no ye so corporate no nya say efe de ono oba da on fa sperm no so famra. Then I realized what they do with obinim. Oni obada so fa oyi sperm no or the handkerchief white. Otimi ma osofu bi akwanjire se nu nu aba nkoda ne fa sperm no ebra. Bedu ko bi any oba pre white handkerchief because oni ne yes sex wie ye no. Odi ayini pepa na girl no fi so we bia wa nya tissue nti handkerchief de okosi e de amano. And tokwa esi ho e di ewuo ene ba the girl died because okobie na no kan say asem say na esi na o man warning so o kan say ni besi ampanso the girl died and nobody has done anything about it.
Wow.
So suffer obeba Wednesday we explain ni ntia omo ni emada efa omswem enso enkosi hu enti sa wo hwe nia akoso anania ekoso a ema no mo so pe aware no okwa osoforo so obetimi ayesi amam ena bra ena sei obehu anse ode aye adwuma du hwe Nigel ne ho sei no ema atwa no ho ahia wona so obia wo clear no ono de o calculate se o baby obeba sorry a o ye kamade e wo se odi na oka sorry no when yakwa diusika I'm tempted to mention names now who bebu a man be anyiri chen be 30 years or 22 years
in the name of akwanchire and
yes.
of emwa
just say minim what women want nanra hwe method is softly senya o preach about Sarah and Hagar Emma Abraham Sarah man pressure kofa Hagar e ware no ene ne wo ye odi 14 years and sa odi 14 years no fe na Sarah ba edi 3 years na ono Ishmael esri whatever na Sarah e ka kire Abraham say ompam Hagar ene ne ba ene ye oko man brodo ba ko ni a bottle of water koduru ba bi na asa nti Hagar de ne ba no kotena edua bi ase o twen sabo bi chi no say sword ne yi ene Nyankopon etisa kola na isu you know those things you see afei emra me catch me man say omunyedi they were all paying attention.
Mutie say the preaching
that is the word of God. That is the word of God. bisa ho say enem wo media mu wo de am fa series of sermons by these so-called pastors na mo hwɛ if they preach the word of God they be abrantie we wu bewu wo so obehu me ewura we wo yade bi da so wo wonya cancer kwasiasem kwa no mo de jiska wo gam say me kai bi aram buf na me ntia how human beings are able to be convinced with these fake things.
Ehu na am say okay na.
Ya no de ehu mum me ye ya ba hu se ni nyina no ehu. Ena de bia ye pe bibia hu. Hwe methodist sofu ye no preach na oba afre sofu ena bompa ye mam ena ma wade ye ena me kun se de esua na me su. Foolish woman. Go and sex your husband good, cook good and respect. Case closed.
Honorable, how do you eradicate those quack?
That is what I'm doing. Me me and say nine be ko jail. Ko jailer. They will sit up. Now they say crowd they are sitting up. Monday asofofo a omu yam hihyi omu say me bobu omu din. You have no idea. Yeah. Monday ni Wednesday be dura. Yes omu and na want to say me we program. Ko nim baby am de be firaba. Akwa Isaac you say when wono timi kofa vena water obi aye ni nsuo no no akofa no de ayi afa ho engwansuo oton 50 cedis me boni din apen wo call me cousin bi ho oso osu da fom say de me guna soro obeku no ho ne obenya awu mu because me ba no so.
Honorable, but me still a solution to that.
The solution to this quack say we are educating people. Okay. Speaking about the idea, people are getting informed, listening to us, say, and I suffer for a and a lot. Now we'll be seeing Coco car airby, they were discussing the issue. Yes, they were discussing it. Utim say awareness me chrome, obi say Bishop Kenneth Agyapong, obi say Angel, which means they are listening. We creating awareness. Awareness in the bar. Now the members will begin to go to regular churches. Young yes, I mean they kum, o papa na yewo, and a federal way, and when you cancer, and you say. Because what goes on in our office before we come to preach. Yeah, he told me. Now ni manka bazooka no de make no. Ni entia oba me nchen no say usuro. But after talking to me and advice I gave him, he gave me opportunity. He said the chance honorable ukwa family example. Me jai mi nye biem. Nti ukwa bomidin. Obi a oba me nchen osuro se bebo ni din. Ne begure ni maso omsi 1 week no ni di. Oba ya me ne kasa tu no fo kira me say why you wey nyina wie ewiase the most difficult thing to get in life is to get capital to do business. Ti so wo fie ba ko car ba ko the Range Rover na buy. See Range Rover 2015 value no ye. Kone ko ton wo fie also betime ya be $250,000 $280,000. It's good. Ton fie no na fa ko business first rent a house for 5 years. Now one neka from fie no. Go and rent a shop for 5 years. One shop ka from fie no. The rest che emu mienu sika no say wo spend ebia 30,000 for rent, 30,000 for shop, 60,000 270. You still have 210. Use about 130,000 fako kranioma ene ebetua duty ebia 30,000. Keep $50,000 you are not going to touch. In case I say you still have a fallback. And build on that business. And whom to say, Uhria kwam, kwam na jim confusi kwam na say, when in Beguasi. Menene Kasawi and he was so relieved, said the boys, on a book family example, Bomidin, me bazooka, Bomidin, me ferry because me jamming could preach him, me koyejuma. You see? Meanwhile, some ko bonidin also be kunu huntin oba you. But menene Kasawi also honorable Bomidin, me ye family example, me say, in your mass in a coso. Also, I know they are not on ton oil name boom, a quanchre. counsel no also be kono you correct
e hon so discuss ho
papa was counsel no de ho na cash no kura wo so enti mu anso ne ye ka ne nei aya mo nso mo mbo ho dawru na Ghana for ye pe bibie hu nko a
13 asofo na sisi omudin aba
omanka
do bi owo enyan obontel ofo no se adoye aye boafo etuafo odikan central region ose osrew expose ne ye pa ne mo wate se woni a wo ma betia wo nan so wo ma kan no na wo so wo kan mo ne mo asofo a wo mo kan no ne wo ma kan nya kan mo bom na tu mo nyina se be ya mo be hom
fine what I'm doing is say on say Nigel no on come but revelations na na bane nkofo no ensemo mo kan no mo nya obi nka bi ma wo mo no then I decided say no I have to hit what do you say nti me nya enough information wo ho a e che say wo bu nipa bi kwase ade a oboa nothing will stop me me say me were 13 on the list ebi ni mo akasa they are falling already omo akasa omo so ne kura egu bonigas so hwanom ne yi kroma so nkra no
onu suka oka
omo nyina so nkra egu nti o se me yi free na me hwe omo gina mu dindindin omo ye fake nyoma no ahiti omo ha
ade a wo ye ne Ghana for the pa but omo susuma o say so called pastors no mo tumi pa they are very powerful
musro wom krachi o wo tumi a say bedu ko bi so wo tumi and come in live till now
omo ni hu
obinim so wo tumi a nko obetwa me nanim agu asese Nigel omo ni foko omo ni hwe omo yusu o madwen no madwen kase me omo tim fa bi tim they can kill all they can do is physical tisania Nigel ekobo pa ne boys no kobo pa wo ayi railway ho yusu omo bekumi na wo tumi a otumi spiritually obekumi a engo ngumi nko kobo pa mom e na abedadi omo ni foko mamu nyi omo ni adam pa che se omo wo bibia yetum kum nipa enka me metena se for 3 months
bedu ko bi no obi nim de na kwesisen
bedu ko bi wo police obi nim wo police me de Nigel ko ka ho yeah
omunya do ma court na
make sure yes
obi the question by Friday na wa ma no say misa o say on the on personal interest until you obetumi aboa no yes so we talk information pa we invest it
I don't buy information
we dey na information
banal catch them say information first ka mepam e chese wo nya genu people bring information to me because they don't trust the system one Mami a offer from Germany. Nigel Tonica opa Ninsia. So between America. Or money check na bounce. Money check na bounce. Or Nico police. Finally, Utriamu Sikani 70,000, 85,000, Utria 45,000. Police for so ode anyahwe Gina Corny ebehwe aye no mo je papers ndi gu ho. Oba 2,000, 3,000. My minister on me kasane. Papers no. Police for no are not supposed to give it to Nigel, but what we are talking about. Emma still what the 15,000. I
see.
Boy yeah. Yantie na simple. And why Nigel beat him no? Doesn't have confidence in the system again. He's now coming out because officer I can pursue the case. Now, one person pursue case, my Oba Jimiska. Are you out of your mind? But honestly, Obi Awa free Kumasi, Obi Awa free baby or bar, or can I say we are? Miss Odi 2005. Now, me say, or so for moi, et me buko to say, just 3,000 CDs, I'm the man or Damas. So I asked him, say, Hinti Bonia, what's na honey, Obinim, Edi Yenina. You mean you don't have 3,000 CDs? You don't have 3,000 CDs? Me say, or buko to be a Damas. Akwa waste your time. You don't have 3,000 cities. Say COVID number one in a ma. Niombe di krana and warning. Or kokumasi. That out of sympathy, I'll give you.
But I said,
but now obi the Florence Obinim. And our mommy phone why you saying and I say, please, stop writing. and as I say me nyadwuma enka talk car mama na me dey work and pay me say please get out wa kwodi na chi na wa show me na me talk car get out from my office me ntua so I don't buy information. The moment I will discover attach information, I will throw you out of the place. But people have confidence and they've had results.
All right.
They've had results. Anytime they bring their case, they get results because I'm able to pursue. Who police in who
Are they always right on their information?
Not all of them. To be making sure, say. I remember one example about when I was digging Florence Obinim.
I like the digging, no.
Obi baka jam so. Obetran crying. Now our boyfriend, I wish you was a la passa baby. But now my follow no from baby I will call school. A kurana see from time when we here or they call Johnny a rama near in not sa point in one aquanic and yanokre. When him say, Mr. Traki hon out because the classmates for had testified. And the guy no obeka say Florence Obi nim bank na the boyfriend say no. Enya mkra na strike. Me catch him say ade we enya consistent with information aminya because about 4 people who be there or can be consistent. This particular okase because at that time no ni ku no te red coat Madina red coat flash nechi. So Inti Okasa or no. When him said, the guy called back the next morning to honorable and Kabaya Florence Obinim boyfriend I am a kayano and Kahodi obey free. I'm a catcher so and you're not correct. Inti I sieve information. The word is sieve. They say who be so so it has none tetano akayu. I sieve information because me ba out of me person. Obi ba challenge am ni magu ase
me follow kakra me tete ensem ba ko mienu bi metumi say those asofo no bi ekuta like you said no mo nipa bi o mo power from town machi Nigel for instance Mesbe ka bibi say Nigel ye na de bi na nka so person
also repu no and she's fucking Jimmy why and then she doesn't want to come out. You see she's doing a disservice to Ghanaians and other victims. But any choice.
Baby, you can one can rape no say criminal offense no dey.
Rape.
No person taking on.
Rape. I don't want him in Kasaya.
Oh, okay.
Rape. But any choice. And me. I was going to mention names, but Madam T wasn't be our kind. Oh, we are here. I was say obi nso ka bibi kire wa wuti. There's a particular star. Ghana ni ba why star ewa ha. And no did you to far obi so say no your mistake. In fact, omo ma me list na ne din nim ono na dey no be shame because of guilt or panic. And now odi edin ba ye no na me share list e ma no a Nigel e clear wo stars ni we no ne yina na ne din kan na be kan. Her request and appeal was that Australia and wenya papa bi a ohwe ne yi otumi se relationship no be kwachiri enti se me boni din a na wie ya no madam do you think I have to do that? I don't have to do that because the girl is not the target. That is where people are not getting it. The girl is not the target. Obi ni dia no I was forced to mention and show the pictures of the girls to show the wife say ni kunu no oya sofu kura we ashawo cheme. That is why. But say Nigel dia no obaby emie na no obaby anyeye me ne nkofo nko social media enko obi ni dia no oti wo mugum ena wo mudi matam. So I was forced. Second one girl no ma body din your friend Matilda. Oye Nigel yiri best friend ena one no call out. Gun point otumi twitio. What do you see girls? The girl no person or ten or person or better or Bruno near. And I was going to show the pictures. Because the name is Tyson, the best friend in Nigel. Now, oh yes, sir. Then, also for be friend, say, a random person will be whom. Na say, me boni din me show the pictures in the obenuma drew. You ask yourself, say, is she the target or Nigel is the target? Now, madam, say me tie ni awu kan ya. Ma hwe ni ebedru baby obi a ntie ni America ni bi. If these girls killed themselves, what do I achieve? So you have to be circumspect.
Hit target no.
Me hit target no. But obi obeben bia no corroborate with what I'm saying, keke. But not to target that woman say or no or you say. Me ti am angel. What you say? So they are not targets. I don't think they be a we no ma show ma obi e no wa bia na no akasa. So I don't have to mention anybody's name.
Honorable, Ebinum say we're not draw back on even the target no kra no obi e brand ho ase baby honorable kwedi no JaiIed.
Mami Yusu boy ya. Eh Ibra.
Anke be bebra ho na nke be close asofo ne aba Ibra.
Ibra de me started say me minimum that. Then he started talking trash na bar me say who is this boy? Papa. No information a bus. I'm saying, what? I go away. We're finishing the one touch. But I even regretted responding to him when I got the whole details of the boy. Or a slot complete. That I should not even argue with him. But with him, me tell me what time for nonsense. Me pong program no 11:45 p.m. 1 a.m. na ejina na me wo cruise ejina Ibra ni fie.
Hey.
When they got there, the cars me no odware no mu ya papa so abie na yi. Ni nuanom kofa the cars no. Then my car trailed them all the way to Madina IPS. Obabi yale encreding bayala. E sikwan ho pe eko Accra Training College ho no afa right. Ofa right and afa left third house on the right. E ho no go park cars. Ade achi anopa Ombe mubu cars no the corny brother fee on McCarthy Hill. When I had informed the security agencies, send the messages, the guy or the other trader was saying, one, they were going to pick them, I got a call. And I didn't your friend Abbas, a friend was honorable, Mr. Wa. Miniano, when you're normal, Wabodam, I have his medical report. Met me the Ababechero. And I'm saying, are you sure? But why I believe say Wabodam say any human being in his right sense will not say me my president 24 hours he will be a corpse. Anybody or what agreeing or yes sound will not threaten the president say Obekunua he will not be arrested. So ndi I'm afraid security force say me time na me investigation about the guy about the medical records. The brother brought the medical records. May 11th, 2020. And another no sabe biem. Na fe odi nyoma egugu eiso. So the doctor has written say eduro na de man on onfa. Timije na mkache say well media once I make kasa me achiro. Unless one kasa oba air to show or read the medical report for people to see me, I don't just come on air and brag. And the brother was bold to go on a man FM and will show a instruction them. Or no brother Noah, oh yeah, you can accuse you say of funny. And Islam, that is the most serious crime you can commit. So Ninwiana accuse you. In one breath, or they chirameno was it anybody say heaven or her holy bibi obiba call heaven a Abbas. The same person also a funny. Then I realized and will show her each the most honest politician I like in this country, Honorable Agyapong, or send it to Ninwiana. It was it. Or who in was say I fed ye or dear some about minimum of that. So, in Tiaba Sanam fresh security castle, Mumma investigate Nanian say, and almost say security advice over the master say no correct, so a bipolar. I'm sure I call a black American baby or the second wife, One ni shi nneoma no saa o hia na abam enti omo mfa nko hospital no mu quarantine so the brother came to talk no cause omo gin phones nyina ena omo de na shefie me say it's not enough so omo de nko hospital na onum na du my brother enipa bebre wo ho a wo hu omo a
Who come come.
we are who am kama. Ti say na to Duncan Williams. Ni ba no. What you say? Very handsome boy. But no one problem. Obi a wasa wan kono wi. Any cocaine and fremu a entrega. Now, abi a obi fi obi kasem beach le ba na meti. Boy ni die no. Advice me ire na kasa you know with this situation. Oche no de kotuma wa amwa no. You worsen the case. The best place is to take him to Pantai.
No more no.
No more. But Majai arrest because I will worsen the situation for him. But Adia Bako Minyae in the investigation,
good.
Mahusa or a criminal.
Honan Kameba Hono.
Mahusa or a criminal. Omo Yusu a say a jijin kofosika. That I will not stop. Now when him interested. Meaning where the mammy yamanum kakra. I'm the affair Ghana for a trusty me no musromi and casa. When him say 419 now fraud boys no omubu a fugai no for insulting me. Because I made one statement. Now maybe I'm a guy on the street. I know what time it is. I just ignore you to go. But I know what time it is. Nobody had told me anything. But the moment they say, or Forex Bureau, na me who deal. Forex Bureau for what they do, ni say, Oma be offshore account. Now bank for, I'm going to deal with the banks. Yes. Me say me nyai. Adam fi, me jai arrest, you know, madam. But sad deals, you know, it has to stop. All banks in this country should stop opening offshore accounts to Ghanaians. Dollar na ekosuru de biya nyina because of that. And no can be a part. What they do ni say, Samina mimi here sika ewo America. Me say me wo offshore account no agi sika no wa ha. Ogia no we release it. Genuine ones will release the money. But when move sa boys way, utu sika no ma no mafa. And then another guy is also going to talk from London about a choir. Sa Ibrahim no afaso ebu o mama ye close Ghanaians no businesses no account. What you say? So I'm going to governor. Why? What is the essence of opening offshore accounts? Would himself boys not panic. Now I hold this boy's name because of Adia Oye. The moment who said Makasa Semono, now me see I'm going after a year. One in offer. One also a mistake, Sao, Tisania, Sa actress, no mistake. Edina ne kurabna ni dinim. But he voluntarily came to me to beg with no offer. So what he say, me kokana ni din wo mutino, o sremi na say. Bo ni din me hwa ma de so ana ni dinim. Na me account. I say, the evil that men do, lays after them. So, and the Ibrano, Wama 419 for me stop business. I'll use the law to stop their business. Because the offshore account doesn't make sense. Me could be account, yasina, by Yabaku offshore, Yabaku, me first came free abroach in Maha. Me discovery had a cochranium. All the bank transactions are there. We are. O bill of ladings near you know the HSA Newman Wakra Manaba. So why do I need offshore account? I don't understand. And these guys are using offshore account, beating people, duping them. That through Ibrahim insult. I'm going to attack them. Make sure say offshore account to crowd bank BNB Ghana near dollar no stress no so and go for.
Honorable, me am close to asofo ne de na afa yenhwe messages are other ones. The person we close to asofo ne de no. say be ya on say there we expose be pa bebre ho ntoma bebre no so beba because when kura nko de area ho nkom hye we to agent we nim de making say the Matthew kan no adifo atrofo bebre beba but ye ntumi mfa tumi ma wo mo amoye te se ma kire sofo ya wo kan ho asemi ene body a me bodin say parliament ntumi sore nko na parliament obi ntumi sore nko ye lawyer obi ntumi sore nko ye teacher asofo no so obi ntumi sore nko ye sofo je se wa fa process bim na ya ma no tumi ye ntumi mfa sa tumi ne nhye sa council for no sa no mo mfa mmo sa asofo no ho ban
you see
why mna se bedwani
after you've qualified as a priest, your license. What I'm going to push our parliament and say there should be a bill. I be pass here, I be allow council no, for every priest to be a member, a pastor to be a member. Most of our young pastors, fake ones, they are not members.
Yeah.
They are not.
Who be sample for us?
Yeah, they are not members.
So they can control.
So there should be a law binding all of them to come under one umbrella, so that there will be control. We preaching there in the name of God. Then ombe issue guidelines, no, agile licenses and suspend. Say you are no more going to preach.
Okay,
it's very very important.
All right.
Because ni American, asofo na papa womu.
Oh yes.
Apapa womu.
Bebre.
So we are not collapsing Christianity. We are rather building the true Christ church by weeding out all these fake ones. Omuma nyame asem enimaguasi. So there should be a body.
Okay.
A regulating anybody who calls himself a pastor, reverend, bishop, apostle, whatever. Be under one body that is regulated. So there will be guidelines as to how you have to preach the word of God. And now, omo aso asafo no bi ka che. Omo say, honorable, a man be brain so mba wa temptation you. Oba odun sato so a. Unyanye no aba ni namu say no oda fom.
Bato nkonkro afa no.
Yeah, oboa oye line no. Opese o kire worship God. The third day also oye Pentecost. Elder no. O say ono oye gospel artist for producer no. O say Emma and the application ebre no say osofo we open no nti won connect ba ku ka so opo bofu oye ya anye yi amano no girl ne nkasa bi because when timi an connect ama obofu nti wasi Emma na so say no na bi say why say Emma no ye interested in asofo wasi one obeto fia no obe rent obeto car amano obe man sika ko bi adwuma right nti no woman say asofofo no mu pe nti a man also deliberately tempt asofofo and being human no ma fail so nti say body bi beba e betimi a regulate say anyoma no
okay
because false prophets no they've been there for a long time. When you look at Elijah, the Bible on false prophets na omkobo jamu yese ni ayina. We hear Elijah time here. Say we were not alive. And I will share Matthew on our can or say in the end there will be false prophets who will claim I'm the Christ, I'm the Messiah, I'm the Savior. What? These are end times.
Yeah.
The same thing. And young kofwa omu ebu efasu in the name of Christ. The end times, what Matthew can was a sign to warn you. Not that the world was coming to an end in no time, but was a sign to warn you. Say, there are going to be people who will use the name of the church, the name of Christ, to dupe people. So watch out. That's the significance of that.
Okay. Okay. Watch out.
Right.
Okay. Apostle, my friend Apostle.
Honorable. Remember, sorry, friend, Christ Church of Common Sense.
Christ. Christ Church.
Yeah, Reverend, Father, Bishop, Apostle, Prophet, Angel, Sheikh, Ken or Hini Agyapong.
Our first 20 basse admana wo ye no so ye nyina ye mmoa na ye se obi basse opese oboa wa mmoa be no be hia fi nipa no.
Oh, so more high, Mabekasa, you take excerpts of it, play it constantly to create awareness. Who information? Honestly, some information, madam, may catch yourself a human being. Ebi wa make come me green home back you know panic. In your mabia it goose. Such information, you know, I won't to me. You bring it to me. Me I say medicoko any enwo. Means rohi inti meka. Edru baby a obetre things obesiu. I have money to fight them.
You have money to fight them.
Yeah, I have money to fight them because they use money to cover their evil deeds. And I'll use money to expose their evil deeds.
Okay.
And it is evidence in the back. Now, if you can go to court, me mama lawyer. I say, me mama lawyer and a police station. And I'm paying the lawyers for them to get justice. They don't have the money to pursue. And don't you know ya some no more jana, I saw for no more cotutia, no more jai. This time, police didn't say can Agyapong who discover man on ye. 2, me ma lawyer to fight. Then we see. So scar. So be him there and also cash. To understand person display cash pa no. Say yes.
Anyway, talking about mwa work back community. Who party honorable for honorable apart from say who private life near that because of political party I will join any sorry be a woman near that nti one you sir ya na man for better try say be regulate you. Who the support of the party or your church?
Say a party for
no support. The way they are what the party for the money you na mo prevent to say JaiIed na hwa. That year that's member.
First of all, well, there were 2 Bakubi girl bina obeka say na me ye farming as parliamentarian no. Yes, will be nim ho adwuma na me ya na. And she started talking trash. And no, minim na girl bi ne na edi achi no ka say wa wunya na nka pe o say apu me mama kan Agyapong edi me de kan mama kan ma edi.
Oh.
David, me can I would anadwunya no wafu onyim yi wo kwa wa bi anka no.
Oh, no, TV swinting us.
A TV omutie ye nyina kwa no. You see, sabe no e ma nipa ehu the effect of the thing. Madam nyasa me ye profane you. But me pese wo hu the seriousness of it. Erano woman organizer had to come and say, ofu say, niame me ye no mbom no, e be ma asorfo kra entwa ba ma MPP. Now I'm saying I'm winning souls for NPP more than the fake pastors because the awareness that I'm creating, the people that are becoming aware are more than the church of those guys. What do I say? Because one program, Sources Radio FI, hit 8,515,000. I want one church in this country that has followers or listeners. And out of the 8 million, when Naakwa would be 500,000. Oh dear, the lowest you will get 500,000 people being converted. Can one more sorry in your boom, so 500,000 people. And that was there, but so far, now I mean, I wouldn't himself criticize, say we MPP now be to be over.
Oh, MPP now no.
Obabe can say who say can Agyapong say a party because I saw for remember the boldings is here and I'll blast you. Because you don't stand for the truth, you stand for only your party. And if you don't get these people converted, if you don't create awareness, you always be ruling idiots. So it is not your winning. It is building a better country. That is more important than who you know. Obi antimi kanche, but adia me yo.
Honorable, apart from asofo no ye wo mubu nipa fa so no akonfo so ka ho wo tachi bi uja mu
akonfo no meba wo mo so malam fo bi so wo mu because hwe asofo no kwa wo so akonfo we ho okwa wo so ko malam we ho me listing nyina I confirm you and Sabi almost Makoy investigation, some of Makanya, he could be.
Matekura say, Bino Bapach on Wajem.
Obia Yam Pam Chodi. But me, I can my investigation. Me way, Messako hobby to me, person body. Me, your second one because I saw for a ban hobagy doing our bobo.
Oh, okay. Confirmable boss software. Or Mama list of our software hobagy.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, yo. One of them. Now, on no moment they are suffer for Abam ho ebe patches say. In fact, on what the bazooka no near buy. In the investigation with Sao Conform, then it didn't pop up. And no conform smoker, oh, Sa software dear, me banono. Then I called him so
wow.
Any pass message and a ban way bad too. What could do a baby $80,000? One book to do. Oh, honorable, my many dear, and ye, Namiton cars and a mountain in Nukun, and ye, name Obano, and ye $80,000 by $42,000. And no dear hitch them, but we have 5,000 into the Obana car 37,000. We were yourself Obawa dressing for. Just say, a bonny mu diwahan. Eh,
and come on, never trust a branding that. On 27th of June 2018, who premiere BB documentary be Who Watches the Watchman?
Yeah.
To expose Anas.
Yeah.
Utu baby no, what can we say? Anas now see a stop on before Ubish in the bedroom cry, Wakofano Honsa Mamba.
Yeah.
There will Anas the difference between
Me differences I mean call record will be
okay.
Two, in blackmail will be Bisase, Obia Bamjan Makache okay, and you major Cassanti Mamisayana. Nobody.
I see.
Now you will not even dare to say something over Mamiska. What about them?
And they're not when you break Anas so pan say one or this car no what jam for bashing be
right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or Adiana or you know to say the motive is to make money. The difference between me and Anas and no. And I don't go and record anybody. I don't.
Okay.
What do you say? I don't go and record. Nigel, the year a neighbor show say it took us 4 hours. Say, and I have 4 hours video. Only 3 days in the TV that segment.
Wow.
This is how I work. But for me, some no casa, no my record. Hell no, I don't do it. I don't like that.